In this video, we're going to show you how to create a relationship between the contacts module and a new module that was created in Module Builder called Tickets. So we're going to go to the admin page, down to the Developer Tools panel, and go into Studio. So we want to create a one-to-many relationship between contacts and tickets. So tickets is where we're going to store our IT request. So we're going to go into contacts because it's the one that's going to have the subpanel. And we're going to verify that the relationship does not exist already. And then we'll click Add Relationship. Because Contacts module is the module we went into, the primary module, it's on the left. We're going to pick Tickets on the related module side. And the type of relationship is one-to-many. So the Contacts module will have a subpanel called Tickets, and Tickets will have a hyperlink on the record itself that says Contacts. Then we're going to click Save and Deploy. We're going to also go down to the Tickets module in Studio, and underneath the record view, we should now have Contacts. There it is. And we're going to rename it Primary Contact. Take out that extra row in the layout, move that whole row up, and then save and deploy. The Contacts module has now a subpanel for tickets, and we can configure that underneath Contacts, Subpanels, Tickets.